Hey there! If you're a small business owner, you know how crucial it is to stay ahead of the competition and keep your sales moving. But let's face it, marketing can be overwhelming. One powerful tool that can help boost your sales is email marketing. And today, I'll show you how to leverage it for success. Now, the magic starts with understanding how email marketing can work for your business. It's more than just sending newsletters. It's about creating personalized, engaging emails that your customers will actually open and act on. So, how do you make your emails stand out? Here are a few key strategies. Personalize, use your customer's name, or recommend products based on their past purchases. People love to feel seen. Engage, don't just sell, entertain. Include value-driven content like actionable tips, personalized offers, and relevant insights that your customers will appreciate. Call to action. Make it clear what you want your readers to do, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a newsletter, or clicking through to your site. Keep it simple and direct. And this is where Stripo makes it easy. With Stripo's email editor, I can build beautiful, mobile responsive emails in no time. Let me show you how it works. As you can see here, I'm using Stripo's drag and drop editor to create a simple email template. It's super intuitive and no coding is required. I'm adding a personalized greeting with the customer's name, inserting a product recommendation block, and even including a discount code just for them. The best part? Stripo offers features like pre-built templates, dynamic content blocks, and personalization features that help you target different segments of audience, ensuring each email feels tailored to each customer. If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, Stripo is the tool you need. Trust me, once you get started, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Click the link below to check out Stripo and start creating your first email campaign today. With Stripo, you'll have everything you need to boost your sales and build stronger customer relationships. Email marketing doesn't have to be difficult. It's all about creating value for your customers, and with the right tools, you'll see the results. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can make email marketing work for your small business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other small business owners who might need a hand with their marketing.